Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another recipe of mine, where this recipe is one of our dish for tonight, and this recipe called siomai. So let's start making. So first of all guys, I have the 600 grams of minced meat. You can either use chicken or beef or pork, and now I'm gonna add in the ingredients. I have is 2 cloves of garlic. I really chop it very fine, yeah, because we need it to be incorporated with the meat, yeah. So we have to put in, and I have this 1 thumb size of ginger, and again I also chop it very fine, yeah. So we have to put it inside, and I have these 2 stalks of spring onion. I slice it very thin first, and after that I chop it because I really want it to be small pieces, yeah. So it goes inside, and I have this 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, yeah, it goes, and I have this oregano. It's an herb. I just put a little bit, but this one is an optional, yeah. And also some basil, dry basil, yeah, it's just a little bit only, yeah. I don't want to overpower the taste of the herbs inside my siomai, yeah. And a dash of pepper, and half teaspoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar just to enhance the flavor. And I have this half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, yeah. And lastly, I have 1 egg. Go inside, yeah. And now what we do is we're gonna mix all of them thoroughly. Make sure that all your ingredients are well mixed with your meat, yeah, before we can mold them, yeah. Okay, this is done. So I have this wrapper, and we start wrapping now, just like this. Okay. Just sit at that, okay, and press the top. Okay. Okay, so guys, we finished doing all the molding, yeah. So now we're gonna steam this one, yeah. So now we're gonna put inside a steamer. And we're gonna steam this one for 20 to 30 minutes because I really want it to be cooked, yeah. So okay, so guys, now the siomai is cooked already. I steamed this for half an hour, and now it's really cooked. Now we're gonna take out one of these, and we're gonna put the last ingredients, yeah. I'm having this Thai sauce, yeah, and I just put a little bit on top of the siomai, and we're gonna dish this one out, yeah. Okay, so this is it guys. This is the final result of my siomai. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. How is it like? Yeah, look at that guys. It's very soft and the taste is just nice, not salty. And I tell you guys, it's another worth trying recipe. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.